Hello guys, good evening. We will open another parcel from Shopee. I bought 3 books today. I bought 3 books from Shopee, from the shop which is Bliss. 3 books from Colleen Hoover. So I got it for a sale price. So we will open one by one and I will show you the books and the price and the condition. She told me that it was new, but sometimes in the edges, and this box is from National Bookstore, so it's original. I got This Girl by Colleen Hoover. So first book from the parcel. It's only 299 from 599. It's good condition, guys. Next, Without Merit by Colleen Hoover. So I got it for only 499 from the original price of 699. See the good condition of it. It's very nice. Point of Retreat by Colleen Hoover. It costs also 499. Original price is 699. So I saved 200 pesos. See the condition. It's very nice and very good. Look at the 3 books I got. Very brand new.